Can I make a claim if the other driver caused my car accident? Yes. If another driver's careless driving caused the crash, your injuries and your losses, you may be able to make a personal injury claim against that driver's insurance company or file a lawsuit if needed. But the claim still depends on proof. You need evidence showing what the other driver did wrong, how that caused the collision, and how the crash caused real harm, such as medical bills, lost income, vehicle damage, pain, or out-of-pocket costs. In North Carolina, fault is especially important because of contributory negligence. The insurance company may argue that you were also partly at fault. If that defense is proven, it can create serious problems for your injury claim. That is why it helps to save the crash report. Photos, videos, witness information, medical records, repair documents, insurance messages, and a short timeline of what happened. Insurance companies may also question delayed medical care, gaps in treatment, prior injuries, low vehicle damage, or whether you could have avoided the crash. These issues do not automatically mean you have no claim, but they do need to be answered with evidence. Also watch the deadline. Many North Carolina injury and property damage claims have a 3-year deadline, and talking with an insurance adjuster does not automatically extend it. If another driver caused your accident, gather your records, follow your medical advice, avoid guessing when speaking with insurers, and get legal guidance before deadlines become a problem.